Hey there folks, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you clean freaks out there. We're diving deep into the world of electric mops. If you're tired of the hassle of traditional mopping and want to simplify your cleaning routine, you're in the right place. We've done the research, tested the products, and are ready to unveil the best electric mops on the market. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Electric mops are a popular choice for floor cleaning because they are easy to use and effective. They typically have rotating mop heads that do the work for you, so you don't have to scrub or wring out the mop by hand. Electric mops are also cordless, so you can move around freely without having to worry about a cord getting in the way. The mop you described is a rechargeable wireless rotating electric mop with a 2-in-1 clean and wax function. This means that it can both clean and wax your floors in one step, saving you time and effort. To use the mop, simply attach a mop pad and fill the water tank with water or cleaning solution. Then turn on the mop and select the desired cleaning mode. The mop heads will rotate and clean the floor as you move the mop around. Once you have finished cleaning, you can remove the mop pads and wash them in the washing machine. The mop itself is also easy to clean. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth. Here are some of the benefits of using an electric mop. Easy to use. Electric mops are very easy to use, even for people with limited mobility. Effective. Electric mops are very effective at cleaning floors, removing dirt, dust, and grime. Versatile. Electric mops can be used on a variety of floor surfaces, including hardwood tile, laminate, and linoleum. Cordless. Electric mops are cordless, so you can move around freely without having to worry about a cord getting in the way. Rechargeable. Electric mops are rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about buying batteries. If you are looking for an easy and effective way to clean your floors, an electric mop is. Number 4. An electric floor mop with sprayer is a cordless, rechargeable cleaning device that uses spinning mop heads and a water spray to clean floors. It is a convenient and effective way to clean all types of hard floors, including hardwood tile, laminate, and vinyl. To use an electric floor mop with sprayer, simply fill the water tank with water and your preferred cleaning solution. Then turn on the mop and select the desired cleaning mode. The mop heads will begin to rotate, and you can simply guide the mop across your floors. The water spray will help to loosen and remove dirt, grime, and stains. Electric floor mops with sprayers are typically lightweight and easy to maneuver. They also have long battery lives, so you can clean your entire home without having to recharge the mop. Here are some of the benefits of using an electric floor mop with sprayer. It is a convenient and effective way to clean all types of hard floors. It is cordless and rechargeable, so you can clean your home without having to worry about cords getting in the way. It has a long battery life, so you can clean your entire home without having to recharge the mop. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has multiple cleaning modes to choose from, so you can adjust the cleaning intensity to match the needs of your floors. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to clean your hard floors, an electric floor mop with sprayer is a great option. Number 3. The S15 cordless vacuum cleaner is a powerful and versatile vacuum cleaner that is perfect for cleaning carpets and pet hair. It has a 280W motor that generates 145W of suction power, which is enough to pick up even the most stubborn dirt and debris. It also has a variety of features that make it easy to use and maintain, including a 5-in-1 multifunction design that includes a power brush, crevice tool, dusting brush, and mini motorized tool for cleaning all types of surfaces, and LED display that shows the remaining battery life and suction mode, a magnetic filter that is easy to remove and clean, a one-touch trigger that empties the dustbin with ease. The S15 cordless vacuum cleaner is also lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it easy to clean your entire home without getting tired. It also has a long runtime, so you can clean without having to worry about it running out of battery. Here are some of the benefits of using the S15 cordless vacuum cleaner. Powerful suction power that can pick up even the most stubborn dirt and debris. Versatile design for cleaning all types of surfaces. Easy to use and maintain, lightweight, and easy to maneuver, long runtime overall. The S15 cordless vacuum cleaner is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile vacuum cleaner that is easy to use and maintain. It is especially well suited for cleaning carpets and pet hair, but it can also be used. Number 2. The V15 wireless handheld vacuum cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that can be used to clean a variety of surfaces, including hard floors, carpets, and furniture. It has a powerful 330W brushless motor that generates 28 kW of suction power, making it easy to remove even the toughest dirt and debris. The V15 also comes with a variety of attachments, including a motorized floor brush, a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and a mini motorized tool. This makes it easy to clean all areas of your home, including hard-to-reach places. In addition to vacuuming, the V15 can also be used to mop floors. It comes with a water tank and a mop attachment that can be used to clean and sanitize hard floors. Here are some of the key features of the V15 wireless handheld vacuum cleaner. Powerful 330W brushless motor with 28 kW of suction power. Variety of attachments for cleaning all surfaces. Lightweight and cordless design. Long battery life. Water tank and mop attachment for floor mopping. The V15 wireless handheld vacuum cleaner is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile and powerful cleaning tool. It's easy to use, lightweight, and has a long battery life. Here are some additional features that may be of interest to you. LED headlights on the motorized floor brush to help you see dust and dirt in dark areas. Removable battery that can be charged separately. Wall mount for easy storage and charging. Overall, the V15 wireless handheld vacuum cleaner is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile cleaning tool. It's easy to use, has a long battery life. And number 1. Tineco Floor 1 S3 Breeze S3 Floor Washer. Cordless wet-dry washing floor electric mop self-cleaning smart home appliance. The Tineco Floor 1 S3 Breeze is a cordless wet-dry vacuum and floor washer that can vacuum and wash your sealed hard floors in one step. It features iLoop smart sensor technology, which detects wet-dry messes and intelligently adjusts suction power and water flow for completely clean results. The S3 Breeze has a lightweight and self-propelled design, making it easy to maneuver around your home. It also has a dual tank system that ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water and dirty water is kept separate. Here are some of the key features of the Tineco Floor 1 S3 Breeze. iLoop smart sensor technology detects wet-dry messes and intelligently adjusts suction power and water flow for completely clean results. Cordless and lightweight design, easy to maneuver around your home without the hassle of cords. Self-propelled, helps you clean your floors with less effort. Dual tank system, keeps clean and dirty water separate for optimal cleaning performance. Self-cleaning function, cleans the brush roller and brush guard automatically after each use. Smart home appliance, connect to the Tineco app for real-time performance monitoring, maintenance reminders, and more. The Tineco Floor 1 S3 Breeze is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient and effective way to clean their sealed hard floors. It's easy to use, leaves your floors clean and dry, and requires minimal maintenance.